It is September or until time, and I'm in Elk River making videos of Northstar Trons. And Trons are fucking cool. I'm just waiting for the Tron to get here. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to get videos of Trons. But the fucking bastards are taking the Trons away. They're taking the Northstar Trons away, and they're going to do away with it. There's a very slim chance at this point it's going to be able to be saved, and that really fucking sucks. They say there'll be buses to place the Trons. Someone said there was only going to be... Well, buses are only going to run during rush hour. What the fuck good is that? Or they run all day, including weekends. We'll see if that'll happen at least. I don't know what'll happen yet. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. Yeah. He said pull out. Okay. See, there's very few. It's fucking cool how the Tron goes along like that. SD card is slow, but the video is going. Oh, I don't know why the fuck it did that. The video is there. It's running. I don't know what's causing that kind of bullshit, but it is okay. And I would do Trons in the videos, but if I go to that freight Tron, it's in the way. So I don't know how the fuck it's going to get here. Either that freight Tron's going to have to move. So I want to do Trons in the same video, but it doesn't look like it's going to make it. So what I'm going to have to do, either the Tron is going to be on this railroad, on the other railroad track, which is the opposite of where it's supposed to be. And of course, they're not notifying any fucking one, if that's the case. Because the Northstar Tron, you cannot go, or that freight Tron, I mean, you cannot go through the freight Tron. So either that freight Tron is going to have to move and get on the big lake at the very least, or it'll be on the other railroad track. I don't know what the fuck is going to happen right now. As always, I'm so glad I'm neurodivergent, because I make the most interesting and thought-provoking videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting videos than I do, and if people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my real friends anyway. My real friends are the cool people who like my videos. The people get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people. Even if they don't like it. And if they don't like it, it means they have a stick up their ass. But and there's most of them won't pull the stick out of their ass. There's 8 billion people in this world. Most of them are boring, mediocre, stupid assholes. But those who are boring, mediocre, stupid assholes, and they get to see my videos, and even if they don't like it, that means they're chosen to pull that stick out of their ass. And when they do, most of them won't, of course, but if they pull that stick out of their ass, there's a good chance a bunch of diarrhea will come up, but it's well worth it, because it's like having a colon cleanse and a brain cleanse, and most people need a brain cleanse. And then diarrhea is totally disgusting. It's icky, and it feels icky when you have diarrhea. I know that, but once that diarrhea is gone, people will be happy. They'll have an open mind. They won't be irritable, bitchy, and uptight anymore, and they'll learn how to appreciate people like me. I don't know if I should even wait around for the next Tron or not. I mean, especially the one after, it's an hour and 2 minutes of wait. That's ridiculous. You had to wait that far. And then there's no Trons at all for the rest of the day. And then they're getting rid of them completely. Oh, I really fucking hate that. But in China, they're just adding Trons like crazy. I know their government is authoritarian fascist assholes, but the Tron is moving. They're moving for the Northstar Tron. I'm just wondering if the Northstar Tron will be on the way and that light will turn green. So I could get 2 Trons in the same video. That's what I'm hoping. And there'll be a freight tron from the other direction anyway. That was the only inbound tron during the evening rush hour. Yeah, it's moving. It's hopefully it'll pick up speed, and then the Northstar Tron will be here. And it looks like there'll be a freight tron anyway. There'll be a freight tron, so I'm hoping this doesn't pass 15 minutes, but I think it's going to pass 15 minutes. This will be my longest tron video of the entire day. I'm waiting for that other Northstar Tron to get here. So I want to get two trons in the same video. It's fucking cool to get when I can get two trons in the same video. And because I did my spiel, I don't have to do my spiel again either. So that's one spiel is enough. You know who I am, and glad I'm neurodivergent. Makes me interesting. Only thing that I'm going to go to an all-you-can-eat buffet. I haven't eaten there since I was in the non-tin when trons were still running on the weekend. They do for baseball games, all that shit. Of course, all buses, all those. You have trons for that, but they don't have trons for when you just want to ride out there. Yeah, it's moving. It's not moving very quickly though. So I don't know if there's a thing where you can switch railroad tracks and have the tron get the big lake. It's the next minute video. So there should be a freight tron on the way before the Northstar Tron. So that'll make this a lot more exciting than just... I know I always have interesting things to talk about. That fucking shit with the SD. Did I ever bring that down from... Oh, I never did. So I guess if the SD card craps, I can start another video, I guess. I hope I can start another video. Alright, I'm just sitting here and I'm waiting for that tron. But there's no green light yet. It's delayed because of that freight tron. But the freight tron has moved to make these corporate assholes. That fucking light is still red. I'm keeping an eye on that. And, well, the good eye anyway. The bad eye needs surgery. I found that out. I can't be out. The appointment for my eye surgery is going to be on November 10, and I cannot go outside after that. The ultraviolet rays from the sun could give me third-degree burns all over. Oh, God. That is in November, even though it's cloudy most of the time, even on a cloudy... Okay, there is a green light for a tron, so at least I'm going to get e-trons on video, so that's a very good thing. This will be on the longest tron videos, though. Is about the SD card. I just hope it... Only the Northstar Tron will zoom in on. I just hope it don't crap out on me. And I'll just keep an eye on it. If it does, I'll just have to combine the videos. I know there's a freight tron on the way, and it's not a green light. And I have to go back out, and at least I hope that all-you-can-eat buffet is still good. And so there's a green light over there, which means a freight tron will be here any minute. I have to wait for it. Freight traffic is pretty heavy today. There's a lot of trons on this one, on these railroad tracks. I hope my tron videos will all turn out. I once had a video that I made in March and there was no fucking audio. I don't know what caused that fucking bullshit. And it's raining today, but the rain hasn't let up for now. So I'm gonna eat the new Hong Kong buffet. I'll make a driving video. And the flags are Yankee swastikas are trying to flash. Then we'll associate what's going on in this country. And then what happened at that school, I can't even say what happened there. Turned into a E-wing media circus. Like, shit, there's things I'm not even allowed to talk about on YouTube. because I think in the times we live in, they're calling because so I don't know the whole story. Someone was trans and did what he now the governor is called for restrictions on firearms, I guess you say. But when the government gets tyrannical, which it is getting tyrannical, you want to avoid that, but that's what happened in Otinix. That was 102 years ago, something like that. That's about right. I'll quote Jaya, I think, those who make a peaceful revolution impossible make violent revolution inevitable. Ain't me who said that. It was either Martin Luther King or JFK said that. Oh God, talking about all this shit while waiting for the Tron. I hate having to walk on eggshells. There were more people riding the Tron than I kind of expected, though. Parking lot ain't full, but there was quite a few more cars in the parking lot than what you see in Fridley. Okay, so you got an orange light over here now, so I know there's a Tron on the way. So I'm gonna get 2 Trons in the same video. That's fucking exciting. There's supposed to be a freight Tron. I don't see the freight Tron. See the freight Tron. I don't see the Northstar Tron yet. I don't know if that Tron is going to speed up and go. Just waiting for these Trons. Said those who make peaceful revolution impossible, make violent revolution inevitable. Of course, it ain't me who said it, so don't quote me on that. It was either JFK, Martin Luther King, or both of them said it. So, okay, there's a freight Tron. The freight Tron is on the way. This is an Amtrak Tron. It looks like a freight Tron. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to get videos of Trons. And then there's the Northstar Tron. Northstar Tron is there. Yeah, the Northstar Tron is getting closer. taking the Northstar Trons away, those fucking bastards. I'm running as much as I can. Trons are fucking cool. Oh shit, I should have went over here. Because the thing is blocking the Tron. Get some 4K, this is the time to get 4K videos, and then they take the fucking Trons away. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. He said pull out. He said pull out. So the Tron is going over there. The video is already past out 10 minutes. Last time I zoomed in on the fucking SD card was slow, but the video kept going, I think. So that's the last. The next Tron is an hour away. The light is red. I got to charge these batteries up. All the lights are red, and it's been a long video. I did this usual spiel before, so I'm glad I got all these Tron videos in. On Northstar Tron left. I won't even wait for it but I want to go to the all-you-can-eat buffet for a well-deserved feast, but it's the last chance to get videos of Tron, so